Hello everyone, welcome to Smart Study Circle YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss October 19, 2020 current affairs question. Let's get started. Recently, the Lancet Medical Journal has published its new report. In the report, Lancet has highlighted that India has gained in the life expectancy increase from 59.6 years in 1992 dash in 2019. Right answer is option D, 70.8. Explanation is life expectancy in India has increased from 59.6 years in 1990 to 70.8 years in 2019. In Kerala, life expectancy increased to 77.3 years, while in Uttar Pradesh it was reported as 66.9 years. Which of the following states is said to develop biggest zinc smelter in India? Right answer is option B, Gujarat. Gujarat government will be developing the biggest zinc smelter of the world in Dosawada Tapi district, Gujarat. The state government and Vedanta Group's Hindustan Zinc Limited (HZL) have signed a memorandum of understanding (MOU) in this regard. The headquarters of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization is located in which city? The right answer is option B, Beijing. The headquarters of SCO is located in Beijing, China. The SCO is a China-led 8-member economic and security bloc in which India and Pakistan were admitted as full members in 2017. Israeli parliament agreed for peace deal with which nation? Right answer is option B, UAE. Israel's parliament voted in favor of formally ratifying the country's historic agreement normalizing diplomatic relations with United Arab Emirates. What is the rank of India in Global Hunger Index report? The right answer is option C, 94. The Global Hunger Index was launched on October 16, 2020. It has been jointly prepared by Well Hunger Life and Concern worldwide. This year, India has been ranked 94th out of 107 countries. In 2018, was India ranked 103, while in 2019, India was ranked 102. Star project recently in news related to which field? The right answer is option A, educational field. The World Bank aided strengthening teaching, learning and results for states. STAR project would be implemented as a new centrally sponsored scheme under the Department of School Education and Literacy, Ministry of Education. These are aligned with the objectives of National Education Policy 2020 of quality-based learning outcomes. Who is the author of the book titled The Battle of Belonging? Here the right answer is option A, Shashi Tharoor is the author of the book The Battle of Belonging. The Mediterranean Sea is connected to Atlantic Ocean through which strait? The right answer is option B, Strait of Gibraltar. Kala Sanskritik Vikas Yojana is launched by which ministry? The right answer is Ministry of Culture has launched Kala Sanskriti Vikas Yojana. Thank you.